Okay, Alison, tell me what you have.
Cicadas, happy cicada day.
Well, how many cicadas do you have?
2.
Where did you find them?
I found one right there, and you found one right there.
Okay, hold still. I'm going to take a picture of them so we can see what they look like. Hold them up so we can see their red eyes. Are cicadas bad bugs or good bugs?
Good bugs.
Well, what do you like about them?
Because they hang on.
They have little hooks on their feet?
Yeah.
And are they bad bugs? Do they bite?
No.
Do they drink your blood?
No.
Are they just fun to play with?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Are these ones alive or dead?
Alive.
Alive. Tell Daddy about your cicadas.
That they don't bite or sting. Look, I got 2. Press the button.
Which button?
The big one.
To start it or stop it?
Take a picture of the cicadas.
Oh, I am taking a picture of them right now. See? I'm taking a picture of their legs wiggling. Tell Daddy where cicadas live.
On trees.
And why do they make that noise?
Because just singing.
Do you know why they sing?
Because they love to sing.
They love to sing? They're pretty noisy, aren't they?
Yes. So take a picture.
Okay.